In this video, let me show you how to withdraw money from Kraken to your bank account. First, make sure your account is fully set up and verified. You can confirm this by going to the Documents section. If it shows verification successful, you're good to go. Once you've deposited funds and made a few trades, you're ready to withdraw. Head over to the Transfer tab, click on Withdraw, and select the asset you want to cash out. In this case, we'll choose US dollars. Make sure you pick USD. You want the standard USD dollar for a bank transfer. Once selected, choose the withdrawal method. For most users, this will be SWIFT for international transfers or FedWire for US banks. Click Continue. Now enter your bank or credit card details. Keep in mind that US clients can withdraw as little as $1. FedWire transfer have a $20 minimum, and international users need at least $150 to withdraw. Withdrawals typically take between 3 to 5 business days to arrive in your account. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.